Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use an S Pen, which is included with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and some other Galaxy phones. Alright, so I'm going to slide out the S Pen. I just got to lift my phone up here for a sec. There we go, take that out. And I'm going to stop this video. Now, as soon as you take out the S Pen, you're going to press the center button. And then you're going to tap on the icon in the center of your phone. So the S Pen has many different features and you can actually use it to do literally everything on your phone. When you tap on the icon in the center of your phone, it opens a menu. It says Create Note, View All Notes, Smart Select, Screen Write, Live Messages, AR Doodle, Translate, Pen Up, and Add. And then we also have 100% at the top. If you click on 100%, it says Air Actions, Open Apps, Take Pictures, Control Music, and more without touching your phone. So I'm going to click out of that, and I'm going to click on the icon again. And then I'm going to go to Add. Under Add, it says Shortcuts. You can add Bixby Vision, Magnify, Glance, Write on Calendar, Coloring. And then you can add every single one of your apps. I'm not going to go through that big long list, or this is going to be like a 10-minute video. But I'm just going to scroll through it slowly so you can see what apps I have on my phone and that they are accessible to use with the S Pen. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to go back. And then if I go to Settings, under Settings it says Air Actions. I'm going to click on that. And it's currently on. It says use your S Pen as a remote to control or open apps, take pictures, play movies, and more without touching the screen. Learn how. Anywhere Actions. Choose Air Actions from the home screen and all apps. Press and hold pen button for the camera. It's currently set to camera, but you can also set it to back, home, recents, smart select, screen write. App Actions. Choose Air Actions for individual apps. And then we have camera, gallery, Samsung Internet, voice recorder, Samsung Notes, clock, AR Doodle, AR emoji, Microsoft 360 Office, Snapchat, turned off for Chrome and Expert Raw. General app actions. Choose the app actions for camera and media apps, not listed above. Camera, single press, take pictures. Media, single press, play or pause. Double press, play next track. Gestures, volume up, volume down, play previous track, play next track. So in order to do volume up or down, you would draw the arrow up or down. In order to do previous track, you draw an arrow to the left. And to do the next track, you draw an arrow to the right. Now that is pretty cool. To play next track, you just do 2 dots. And to play or pause, you just simply press on the screen. So I'm going to go back. All right. Air Command, standard style with 8 shortcuts. Quickly access apps and S Pen features in a convenient collapsible menu you can drag anywhere on the screen. So you can do standard or compact. It's set to standard and I'm going to leave it alone, but you can also do compact. Let me do that and see what happens. Oh, it's not letting me select compact, so I guess I have to leave it with standard. Shortcuts. Create Note, View All Notes, Smart Select, Screen Write, Live Messages, AR Doodle, Translate, and Pen Up. Show Air Command icon. Whoops, I turned it off. I'm going to turn that back on. Open Air Command with Pen button. Open the Air Command menu when you hover your S Pen over the screen and press the Pen button. Now if you click on it, it turns it off. So I'm going to click on it again and go back. We have Air View, Previews and Pointer is what it's currently set to, and it's on. It says Air View Previews lets you peek into links, gallery albums, and calendar events by hovering your S Pen over them. You can also hover over the edge of the screen to scroll. The Air View Pointer shows you exactly where your S Pen is hovering. Previews and Pointer, you can do pointer only, or you can do previews only. I'm going to set it back to previews and pointer. And of course you can turn it off as well by clicking on it. And then turn it back on. S Pen to text. Now this was originally turned off and I turned it on, but I want to leave it on because I think that's a really cool feature. to actually write out something with the S Pen and then have it translated into text. That's pretty cool. When the S Pen is removed, open Air Command. Create note or do nothing. I'm going to scroll up. Screen off memos. Write notes while the screen is off. Just remove the S Pen and start writing. And if you click on it, it turns it off. You click on it again, it turns it on. Quick notes. Press and hold the pen button, then tap the screen twice with your S Pen to create a new note. Once again, if you tap on it, it turns it off. And if you tap on it again, it turns it on. More S Pen settings. S Pen unlock. If your phone locks while your S Pen is removed, press the pen button to unlock it again. Your phone will then stay unlocked until your S Pen disconnects or is reinserted. Allow multiple S Pens. Use another S Pen while your default S Pen is inside your phone. This uses more battery. Keep S Pen connected. Keep your S Pen connected so it's ready for air actions as soon as you pull it out. This uses more battery. Warn if S Pen is left behind. Show a warning if you leave your S Pen behind and walk away with your phone while the screen is off. Last removed 2023-06-30 at 10:23 p.m. That's now. Sounds. Play sounds when you insert or remove the S Pen or write on the screen. Now this was originally turned on, but I turned it off because I found that would be annoying. And there's also vibrations. Vibrate your phone when you insert or remove the S Pen. I've turned that off as well because that again would be annoying. So I'm going to go back. And then we have About S Pen. That just gives you the MAC address, software version, and the latest version is installed. And then Contact Us. Under Contact Us, it says if you have any questions or problems while using your Samsung device, visit the following pages. Get Help, Community, Ask Question, Error Reports, Text Chat, Remote Support. News and Tips. Get useful tips and support for your phone with Samsung members. Your Look, Your Style. Color Your Galaxy Your Way. Good Lock Volume 2. Can you beat the box? Question mark. Go to Samsung members. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go back. And I'm going to go back again. Alright, so that is all the settings of the S Pen. And I've already gone over what happens if you click on Add. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is the features that you can use with the camera and the S Pen. So I'm going to go ahead and open the camera. And then click on the S Pen icon. And from here, a single press takes a picture or records a video. A double press switches cameras. There's gestures, switch cameras. You can switch it up or down by drawing an up arrow or a down arrow. Next mode, you draw a left arrow. Previous mode, you draw a right arrow. Zoom in / decrease viewing angle. You draw a little, well, I don't even know what you would call that, but it's like a little loop and then an arrow. Zoom out / increase viewing angle, the same thing in the opposite direction. So if you draw that, you can zoom in or increase viewing angle. And if you draw this, you can zoom in or decrease viewing angle. So it's pretty neat that you can do all that with the camera. And then we have a question mark down here. I'm going to click on that. Learn how. Using air actions. To perform an air action, hold your S Pen with the tip facing away from you. Press and hold the S Pen button, then move your S Pen in a gesture pattern. Release the pen button. Try it out. Now I'm not going to try it out. I'm just going to go back. And I'm going to go out of here. So that is how you use an S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or any other device that has an S Pen included. And now I'm going to stop the video.